Hello and welcome to Math Easy. In this video, we'll be calculating the volume of a prism using this formula. V for volume is equal to the base area times the height. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if this topic is of interest to you, I urge you to watch to the end of the video as I will be giving you a detailed guide on how to solve for the volume of a prism. And please do not forget to support me by subscribing to my channel. Back to the question we have. The question says the cross-sectional shape of a prism is a right triangle. So cross-sectional could also mean the base of the prism. And from this diagram we have here, we can see the right triangle at the cross sections. Okay, and this triangle measures 3 centimeter by 4 centimeter and by 5 centimeter. So if this is a right triangle, this side facing the right triangle is the longest side, so it's going to measure the 5 centimeter. This side would be 4 centimeter and this other side would be the 3 centimeter. We are also given the height of the prism, which is going to be this length here and is 8 centimeter. Now we are told to find the volume of the prism, which is this formula. Okay, so to apply this formula, first we will need to find the base area. And from the question, we already know that the base of the prism is a right triangle. So the base area is going to be the area of the triangle. Area of a triangle A is equal to half base times height. Now, the base of this triangle, if you look closely, let me bring out our diagram. If this is our triangle, here is 4, we have 3, and we have 5, and these are right triangle. The base of this triangle is going to be this 3 centimeter, and the height is no other side than this 4 centimeter. Why? Because this is the length that is perpendicular to the base. So from this triangle, the base is equal to 3 centimeter and the height is 4 centimeter. So let's apply the formula to calculate the area of this triangle. So we have area is equal to 1 over 2 times the base, which we have identified as 3, and the height as 4. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, it shows you are enjoying the lesson, and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post a video, you would be the first to see it. Thank you. So let's simplify. 2 can go into 4 2 times. So 3 times 2 will give us 6. So the area of the base is equal to 6 centimeter square. So now that we know the area of the base, we can now conveniently find the volume of the prism. So if you recall, the volume of a prism is calculated with this formula: base area times height. Our base area is 6 centimeter square and the height is 8 centimeter. Therefore, the volume of the prism is equal to 48 centimeter cube. And this is our answer. If you find this helpful, please do not forget to leave me a comment, like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye.